Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope all of you would be fine. Today we are visiting a very kid friendly place which is the Botanical Garden and it is located in Kondapur. Here you can see the ticketing area and यहाँ पे कुछ सामान मिल रहा था. So हम चलते हैं अंदर. चलिए दिखाते हैं आपको अंदर का नज़ारा. So coming about the ticket for an adult cost about 40 rupees and for children who are above 3 years it will be costing 20 rupees around. आप देख सकते हैं कितना ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है पार्क विथ ऑल ओवर ग्रीनरी. देयर आर सो मेनी ट्रीज़ और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एनिमल्स के स्कल्पचर्स बने हुए हैं जैसे कि बियर एंड एलिफेंट्स. सो चिल्ड्रन विल रियली एन्जॉय दिस सीनरी. जगह जगह पर देयर आर सिटिंग प्लेसेस ऑल्सो एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो ए रनिंग पार्क. सो यू कैन सी पीपल आर रनिंग. देख सकते हैं तो यहाँ पे सिटिंग एरिया भी है एंड इट इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड ग्रीनरी. यहाँ पे पूरा मैप का लोकेशन प्रेजेंट है. ज़्यादा धूप होने की वजह से वी टुक द राइड and ride cost was also per adult 60 rupees and for children above 3 years it was 30 rupees. सो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे गार्डन्स हैं जो हम लोग देख सकते हैं एंड आई थिंक वी विजिटेड सम ऑफ देम. वैसे भी चल के आप जा सकते हैं बट दिस राइड वुड बी लिटिल बिट कंफर्टेबल कंसिडरिंग इफ़ यू हैव सीनियर सिटीजन्स अगर आपके साथ हैं या बहुत छोटे बच्चे हैं देन इट विल बी गुड. सो दिस पार्क इज़ ओपन फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग 6 to evening 6. कभी भी आप आ सकते हैं एंड यू कैन एन्जॉय द राइड. So we just went in search to see some peacocks and काफ़ी धूप था but in between we got to see some of the different gardens and it's just full of greenery and it is a very beautiful park as you can see. So we were covering some distance and जब भी वो भैया जा रहे थे तो वो दिखा रहे थे ये कौन सा जगह है and its significance. So here you can see so many flowers and we are entering one of the garden. जगह जगह पे लिखा हुआ था the name of the garden. So this is the butterfly park. It is a very good place for taking some beautiful photographs. और उसके बाद there was also this vitamin garden was also there and there was a mangrove forest also which was coming just nearby there. One of the most interesting thing which we saw was there was a pencil and eraser garden. So कुछ pencil होते हैं which is made up of these plants. If you just put them वो फिर से grow करना लग जाता है. So that pencil and eraser garden was also there and then there was also this rainbow park. This was also a very beautiful area to take pictures. We also had a vitamin garden. So I guess बहुत सारे medicinal plants वहाँ पे लगे हुए होंगे जिसलिए उसका नाम विटामिन गार्डन दिया गया है. And here in between when we were going we just saw a peacock was quickly running. बहुत तेज़ी से जा रहा था. So कुछ और भी peacocks थे but since like the time was noon time so there were not many but कुछ तो हम लोगों ने peacock देखे थे. बट इवनिंग टाइम में नज़ारा कुछ बहुत ही अलग होता है. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बहुत सारे पिकॉक्स आते हैं एंड यू कैन डेफिनेटली गेट ए ग्लिम्प्स ऑफ देम. हम लोगों ने शायद 1, 2 या 3 पिकॉक्स देखे होंगे एंड this place is very good because they have different places for kids also where they can enjoy the swings and all. So that way also it is very good. You can say it's a very kid friendly place and then आप लोगों ने ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक 5 to 7 minutes का राइड था जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे प्लेसेस देखे एंड सिंस धूप बहुत ज़्यादा था वी डिड नॉट स्टे बट वी वर एन्जॉइंग द सीनिक ब्यूटी ऑफ द बोटेनिकल गार्डन एंड there were many other places also. यहाँ पे one of the interesting thing is there is a road connecting to the virtual wildlife safari. So that thing is also good. So there is a shortcut. So if you are visiting botanical garden, you could also visit the wildlife safari. That is also now one of the advantage. एक साथ दो जगह भी आप विजिट कर सकते हैं. सो देर आर दीज मैनग्रोव फॉरेस्ट जो मैं बोल रही थी, दिस जस्ट वेंट बाई एंड ही वॉज गिविंग अस अ ग्लिम्प्स ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम. सो वी वर एन्जॉइंग. धूप ज़्यादा था बट स्टिल द राइड वॉज वर्थ इट. एंड काफ़ी सारे फॉरेस्ट थे. लोग ज़्यादा नहीं थे ऑफ कोर्स, बट इट वाज गुड. The area is quite peaceful, and there are also places where children, older children, could also try bungee jumping, rock climbing. Those games were also there. And here there are some plants. If you can see, they have put so many plants here, and it is really nice. And there was also a place which wherein, you know, dedicated to the yoga part, so people could do yoga also there. That was also there. So maybe at the end I can put some pics where Dishu is doing yoga and she enjoyed it. जबकि पहले she was little bit skeptical धूप ज़्यादा होने की वजह से, but after and there are places for drinking water as well, cold drinking water. After she had a gulp of it, she enjoyed. So we enjoyed the ride, and here we both are still enjoying the ride. धूप था but yeah. एंड आई थिंक वी आर ऑलमोस्ट हम लोग अभी घूम के आ रहे हैं टूवर्ड्स अगेन दी botanical park. We visited a lot of them. This is again one of the animal garden. The elephant sculptures were there, and there were a number of insects also. Squirrels, you'll get so many of here. So many of them are here. जगह जगह पे इन लोगों ने पीने का पानी भी रखा हुआ है because it's so hot. So it's really a nice initiative. They put water in different places. So that was really nice. And they put sculptures and places के different name, and the significance was also noted down. And as I said, there was too much of scorching heat, so the ride was really nice. But काफ़ी धूप वाला, मतलब गर्म हवा भी आ रहा था. It was like loo coming up, but still there were some places which we enjoyed, like the tomb which we saw in our ride. That was good. And then you can see these paintings, wall paintings, and they have really made very beautiful paintings in the walls. And I think this has been done in whole of the wall, different type of paintings covering the wildlife sanctuary and the preservation of nature. That was the theme wherein they have painted the wall so beautifully. And I said putting some pictures wherein she's doing yoga, you can see. And there is this picture which we just took initially. There are some pictures of mine as well. The place is very beautiful and serene. And this is the artificial pond picture where they have some plants. And lastly, we bid goodbye to the park. Thank you all for watching. Bye.